Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I really wanted to do something a little bit different from what I already have on my channel, and it's kind of like I've seen a lot of artists doing like sketchbook spreads, and to be honest I've never really been someone who has worked in sketchbooks. I've always been like really weird about sketchbooks. Like I didn't really think that I knew how to sketch, if that makes sense. Like every time I've drawn something I've always been like really overly like a perfectionist. Like I just want everything to be perfect, like with no sketching involved, which is really silly. Like I don't know why I've always been like that, but recently I've been really enjoying, like if you follow me over on Instagram and Facebook, you'll see that I've really been enjoying doing these like little daily quick sketches in my sketchbook, and I've literally been enjoying it so much. Like it's been so much fun, so I thought I would do a little like YouTube video just pretty much doing the same thing. I didn't want to do like a full spread because I don't think I have it in me to do a full spread. So I did like kind of like half one, which would just be like a page. So the theme of this was kind of like sci-fi, aliens, because I'm really enjoying like sci-fi. To be honest, I love sci-fi and aliens anyway, but I never really incorporate it into my work. Like I kind of feel like people tend to enjoy my like fantasy or like fairy or mermaid stuff more, but I really want to start doing more like sci-fi and alien, like because I literally love that stuff. Like I love anything related to like aliens, or just anything that looks cool or like different. So yes, I am hoping to incorporate more of that into my work. So I haven't been on here in ages actually, and I was kind of hoping to make this a kind of like chatty, like a chat with me video, just to see how everyone's doing and just pretty much update you on what I've been doing, which to be honest doesn't actually feel like that much. Like now I'm sitting here trying to think about what I've actually been doing, but so I've been doing a few different things. Like I've been working currently on a new Kickstarter which I launched on the 1st of January, and that's been doing really well. We are like over halfway and I think we might make it. I've been told not to like speak it into the universe that it's not gonna make it. So I don't want to say that, but if it doesn't, let's just say if it doesn't make it, I'll definitely relaunch it within the next month or two. I think I kind of launched it at a bit of an awkward time because it is directly after Christmas, and I know a lot of people are very conscious of like spending money at this time, so I probably will end up having to relaunch it, but I'm hoping that I won't. But yes, I've been doing Kickstarter of my new deck, which is kind of like a mermaid themed oracle deck, and then I've also just been like doing my little quick sketches, which you've probably seen on my Instagram, and just trying to kind of like stay motivated, if I'm honest. Like I'm finding it so hard to be motivated at the moment. Like I don't even know why. I'm just kind of like in that weird thing where, you know, when I think it's because I produce so much work. Like I'm always drawing, and then I kind of just feel a bit burnt out, and then I kind of go through a weird phase of like not wanting to do anything, but then that makes it worse. So then I'm like, it's just like really frustrating. So I think what I'm probably going to do to try and get myself out of that is, I don't even know. I probably need to give my shop like a rejig as well. I don't even know how I'm going to get out of it, but I think I just need to just push through and just like force my way out of it. And the next few things that I want to be doing over the next few months is giving my shop like a little update, like reordering some of the stuff that's out of stock, like some of my art books, some more earrings, and I'm thinking of doing more stationery. Like I designed a memo pad, so I think I'm going to order that. But I did actually have to hold off on that because I think I shared it and people seem to really like it, but when I went back to the factory it was like a bit more expensive than I thought it was going to be. So I'm going to wait until I have like some spare money to actually focus that into the stationery stuff. So yeah, there's that, and then I feel like that's it. Anyway, that's it. I'm literally so awkward when I do these voiceovers or videos because I kind of run out of things to talk about, which is really abnormal for me because I could probably speak for England. Like I just chat so much. But anyway, If you have any things that you'd like to see me drawing in the next video, like if you want to see me do like other themed sketchbook pages, like just leave a comment down below, or if you have any questions, or just say hi. So I hope you guys all have a lovely day or night, whatever time it is when you're watching this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.